Hello everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and what we're doing now is we've got these came in here rare earth magnets, right? And it comes with a little capsule. Supposedly they're dangerous because if you swallow them, you got to keep away from kids. I'm not going to put it in my mouth, but a kid could. And you see them here; they are super crazy strong. Now they're also dangerous because apparently they could shatter, and then a piece could go in your eye. So always put on some kind of protection. Now, what are we going to play with? We're going to see, I believe that the magnets inside this GG-1 here, the motor, are weak. And let's watch it at top speed. See, it's kind of slow. First I thought maybe, it's the traction tires, but upon closer inspection, the traction tires are good. So it's just that the motor is a little weak, and it's not a conductivity problem. And I also use this spray cleaner, which is great for cleaning the insides of the motor without taking it apart. So we're going to use one of these and see if magnet positioning of a neodymium can make the magnet strong. Now this has got the same kind of, this is not running. It runs, but it's got a gear problem. That's not why we're using it. Just want to see if we can make this a little stronger. So it's amazing how everything I do gets stuck on something else. All right, so leave that there. Put this here. I'm gonna try to get one of these magnets off. Holy bleeper! They are no joke. Now, see, I think they're gonna see how it wants to align itself. It kind of goes where it wants to go. Well, that's because there's a screw bolt there. Does it make a difference? It sounds faster. Let's see. No real difference. Can it stick on top? That's barely. Let's see. Stick it on this.